What if I told you that in the next 6 to 12 months, you could catapult yourself ahead of 99% of people, not by chance, but by choice? We are on the cusp of a seismic shift in wealth distribution, a phenomenon poised to redefine the financial landscape. You have the opportunity to be on the right side of wealth. All you have to do is be in the right vehicle. Now the question is, are you prepared to take that step in transforming your life's trajectory? Welcome everyone to a turning point towards your financial freedom. My name is Olufemi Ajose, founder of Landverse, and I stand before you as someone who once stood exactly where you are today. I embarked on a quest to uncover truths hidden from the masses, truths about financial freedom and success outside of the confines of traditional education. From a young age, I was determined to carve my own path, a path to financial freedom, vastly different from the daily grind that I saw coming home from track practice on the BART station every single day. I saw firsthand the monotony of the grueling 9-to-5 work lifestyle, and I knew deep down that there had to be a better way. My journey to finding that better way wasn't just about escaping a life I didn't want. It was about pursuing a life that I knew was possible. As a former Division I athlete, I always thought that my financial freedom would come from being a professional athlete. But it wasn't until I found real estate, and more specifically land flipping, that I found that true freedom. Today I'm here to share with you 3 transactions that I completed by following the Landverse Masterclass principles. Principles that have empowered me to break free into financial abundance and will do the exact same thing for you. Our time today is not just about learning, it's about transforming. It's about how I went from being a D1 athlete on the cusp of being a professional at 19 years old to at 21 years old breaking into the multi-million-dollar realm of business success, specializing in real estate investing and more specifically land flipping. This wasn't a stroke of luck, but a result of dedication, strategic learning, and inherent dedication to the Landverse Masterclass principles. Throughout this web class, I'm going to share with you 3 deals that exemplify the power of these principles. The first deal is a deal that we bought for $120,000 and sold for $260,000 within 45 days, netting us $125,000 in profit. We closed this deal by using our specialized direct mail marketing strategy. We aim for properties at a very specific offer price point, no less than 6 figures, in a very specific market in Maryland. A company that had multiple real estate holdings called us back and let us know that they were tired of holding this asset. The thing about land flipping is that deals are made through great conversation. When you're able to talk to a seller and understand what their needs are, regardless of who they are or how much money they have, you'll always be able to deal make and find deals that net you 6 figures or more in profit. The seller originally wanted $200,000 for this property, but we negotiated them down to $120,000 because of pain points on the property. Pain points are a huge factor in negotiation when negotiating down with a seller. Things like, well, you don't have a survey on this property. Well, when was the last time you actually saw this property? Do you know if it's overgrown or not? And also leaning into their motivation for wanting to sell the property. If you understand a seller's motivations, you'll also be able to understand how to negotiate with them based on those motivations. So these sellers told us, you know what, we really don't care about this property anymore. Our fathers bought the property. We're doing better things. We're doing bigger things. So I don't care, but I want $200,000. And I knew that. So we went and said, you know what, we can't do $200,000, but we can do $120 and we can close within 2 weeks. The reason why the land business will always work is because people will always need a place to find cash and to find cash quickly. And you're able to provide it to them by offering them cash on deals and offering to close quickly. After closing on this property at $120,000, we listed this property on the market with the local Maryland real estate broker. The broker suggested that we list the property at $320,000, but I always like to price aggressively so that our properties sell quickly. I'm always in the game of my property selling as fast as possible, preferably 60 days or less. So if a broker tells me a certain price, I'm always going to go a little bit under that price. So we listed the property at $260,000 and we had a cash offer within a week of it being on the market. Imagine netting $125,000 on 22 acres in Maryland in 45 days just by following the Landverse Masterclass principles. Now going into the second deal, which was also acquired by using our specialized direct mail marketing strategy. We got a call from a trustee who had actually never seen his property. He had no clue what it looked like. And you see, when you learn how to send specialized direct mail to landowners all across the country, you'll find deals exactly like this. He called and said, I have absolutely no idea what this is. My father left it in a trust for me, and I just want to sell it because I have some things that I need to pay for. In this area of Colorado specifically, I was sending for 6-figure deals. So we had offered him $34,000, and he came back to us and said, you know what, I want $40,000. I looked at the comps, I see that properties are selling for $150,000, $160,000, $170,000. So I agreed to the $40,000. We ended up closing on this property at $40,000 and listing this property at $160,000 with a local Colorado real estate broker. MLS marketing is an integral part of the Landverse Masterclass principles. The MLS is the multiple listing service in where you buy and sell real estate properties. When you list something on the MLS, it goes to websites like Zillow, Redfin, Realtor.com, and we also use Land.com to promote our properties. This property sat on the market for a few weeks until we received a cash offer for $160,000 to close within 30 days from a large cattle company, and we received $120,000 in net profit. The key Landverse principle that was implemented on this deal was specialized MLS marketing, making sure that we're listing the property with the best drone shots, the best photos, and the absolute best listing descriptions, while also using the best local broker in the area. That will always make sure that your properties sell as fast as they can, and that you're also able to get deals where you're netting $120,000 or more in profit. And for our final deal breakdown, this deal is one of the largest transactions that I've completed in my career. A deal that we bought for $300,000 and sold for $600,000, netting us $250,000 in profit. We bought this deal from a man who had just been divorced from his wife and actually moved to England. His children received our letter in California and gave him a call letting him know that we made an offer on the property. Now, the seller had originally listed this property for $900,000 when he got a divorce, but it didn't sell after a year on the market. And so he let us know that he was willing to sell it at $350,000 just to get rid of the property and move on with his life. And so what you must understand about land flipping is that the more mail that you send consistently, the more money you're going to make, and the more opportunities you're going to find that are exactly like this. We closed on this property at $350,000 in cash, and I actually did not use my own capital for this deal. I used a JV funder. And that's what you must understand about the land flipping game, is that it is low barrier to entry. You can enter into a $350,000 asset without even having the capital to buy the property, just by using a JV funder. This is exactly how I was able to build up my capital early on in my own career. And with Landverse money, you'll be able to do the exact same thing. Now, we listed this property on the market at $875,000 with a local California realtor. The property sat for a little bit longer than we'd hoped for it to sit because we listed it way too high. This property actually sold in 6 months at $600,000. Now, had we listed it aggressively on the market at $600,000 to $650,000 at first, then we would have profited a lot faster. That's the name of the game as part of the Landverse principles. List and price your properties aggressively on the market so that they sell within a specific period of time, ideally 60 days or less. We do not want our properties sitting on the market for 90 days or more. Land flipping is a game of getting into deals quickly and exiting those deals with pure profit quickly. Although this property sat on the market for longer than we'd hoped for it to sit, we still managed to make $250,000 in profit on this deal. These 3 deals alone generated nearly $500,000 in profit. Can you imagine transforming your financial future with just 3 deals, using strategic moves all taught by the Landverse Masterclass? This is the reality of what we do and what you can achieve. The journey to becoming a master in any field is seldom a solitary journey. Behind every successful individual lies a lineage of wisdom passed down from mentors to their proteges. This transfer of knowledge is not just about learning the ropes. It's about absorbing the essence of years of experience, failures, and triumphs. In land flipping, where each deal provides unique challenges and opportunities. The insights from a seasoned mentor can be the difference between a missed chance or a lucrative opportunity. Mentorship in the Landverse Masterclass transcends the traditional student-teacher dynamic. It's a partnership where your growth is my mission. This relationship is built on a foundation of trust, mutual respect, and a shared vision for your success, challenging you to push the boundaries in the pursuit of your financial freedom through land flipping. Now, before we conclude, let me take you through the transformative journey that awaits you within the Landverse Masterclass. You will first learn the fundamentals of land flipping, establishing a deep foundation and understanding of why we do what we do and how we add value to the marketplace. You will then unlock county research secrets that have allowed me to net 6 figures or more on multiple different land deals. Secrets to understanding a sold to for sale ratio and how that pertains to how fast your property sells on the market. You will then learn how to become an acquisitions savant. Being on the phone in the land business is the highest ticket skill that you can learn. learn, because that's exactly how we get our deals. Now, even if you unlock all the county research secrets, if you don't understand how to be an acquisition savant, consistent profitable deals will be hard to come by. So with our acquisitions module, we teach you everything you need to know to close any kind of seller in any situation. This is based on thousands of leads worked throughout our CRM and millions of dollars worth of deals closed. You will then learn how to become a direct mail master. You will learn how to craft a direct mail template that makes the seller's response inevitable. Now, when you send mail, you must understand that your presentation on the mailer is everything, and we teach you in the Landverse Masterclass how to make that presentation second to none. The days of managing your leads on Excel are over. We will show you how to build your CRM from start to finish using our customized ClickUp systems. Having a clean CRM is your best path to consistently closing profitable land deals. We will then teach you how to evaluate properties to decipher if they are going to be profitable deals or not through speaking with locals, through speaking with the county, and through speaking with your seller for any potential pain points. We will then teach you how to raise the capital needed for all of your deals. So whether it be $300,000, $400,000, $500,000, regardless of the price, you will be able to purchase that deal and resell that deal on the market using a JV funder, and specifically using Landverse money. When you join the Landverse Masterclass, you become our primary JV applicant. So anytime you send us a deal, we prioritize that over any other deal that gets sent to us out of hundreds of deals sent to us a day. Selling your property on the market is how we get paid. So we will teach you the advanced strategies that we've used to sell our properties within 60 days or less on a consistent basis. Once you're ready, the Landverse Masterclass will teach you how to scale your business and hire your first employees, so that way you can get out of the daily functions of the business. We'll teach you how to scale beyond 6 figures and get into the 7-figure a year net realm, where your limits cease to exist. Joining the Landverse Masterclass will teach you how to build an empire through land flipping. As we stand at the precipice of change, I invite you to take the leap with me. The enrollment for the Landverse Masterclass is now open, and with it, an investment in your future at $7,500. This is the last time that we're offering the Landverse Masterclass at this price, marking a unique, once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to embark in the transformative journey towards your financial future with us. Payment plans are available to ensure that your current financial constraints do not hinder your future financial success. If you fully embrace the Landverse Masterclass principles and do not make 6 figures from land flipping, I will offer you a money-back guarantee. This is a testament to my confidence in the Landverse Masterclass and its ability to redefine your financial future. Today, the choice is yours. Remain within the confines of the conventional path, or step into your true financial freedom and prosperity. Act now and take advantage of this unparalleled opportunity. And welcome yourself to Landverse, where your journey to mastery and financial freedom begins. This has been Olufemi with Landverse, and I look forward to guiding you towards your financial success with the Landverse Masterclass.